Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we bring another series for the AirPods. This is for the AirPods Pro version. So we're gonna go ahead and unlock these and see what you get when you purchase this. And you can find these on Amazon. They're under like 20 bucks, I believe. You can find them. It's very simple to use. So let's go ahead and open them up. And what else do you get? That's all you get right now. So they give you the clip here. This is a great clip. So if you want to it's actually smaller than the last one I saw. You could actually hang on to this and set it up on your backpack, on your accessories, on your travels. It's a neat item to do. It's all made of silicone. It's black. They have different versions of it. We're gonna see how well it fits with the new version. So we do have the AirPods Pro here, if you can see it. And we're gonna go ahead and place this. And one way you do it is just basically finding out exactly how they open up. And they open up on this side, so you basically have to face the light where the light little sensor goes in there, and you can see it. You can actually, it's faded, but it's like the silicone's real thin in there that you can see the light, and I like that part of it. So once you set that up in the top, you slip the top part of it. You slip the top of it, and that's it. And you fit it together and make sure it's in there, and you're not supposed to see any gaps. If you can see that, there's no gaps, and it fits very protective. And you could have your case, you could hang it on your backpack, you could go on the go. Overall, I like this entry. I like that they have this extra space here so it can open up. You don't need the earlobes like the last one had. I like that they thinned it out, the silicone here, so you actually can see the lights that are turning on. Let's go ahead and do that. Overall, this is a great product. They also have the entry for the charging station in the bottom, and there's a little cover you could put in there, and as you can see, it protects it. It gives you that extra protective layer of for the waterproof, to make it waterproof. I like it all around. And if you guys like stuff like this, hit me up. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, out.